What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I am currently working on the new bumper. Already transferred the license plate, and right now I'm getting ready to install the canards. I'm just taking some measurements. I don't want one of them to look a little more off than the other, so I did have to do some trimming on the bumper right over here because I am running the stock crash beam. So in the future I plan to run maybe the Cusco bar, but for now I had to do some trimming because this bumper would not fit with that crash beam on there. So got it to fit, got the license plate on, and now trying to figure out how I'm gonna go about putting on these canards. Pretty much put the first canard the way that I want it. This bumper has a hole, so I'll be using the canard itself to cover up that hole so you can't see it. And then the bottom one is gonna go something like this, something like that. So let's get started. Had to stop for some lunch because I was getting kind of hungry. Check it out, got myself a Naruto bowl. I don't like this little hole. Freaking soup comes out of there, but this thing's pretty sick. Yeah? You want a Naruto bowl too, or do you want some ramen? You want ramen? Pretty much got the bumper installed, so I didn't want to bore you guys with the process of trying to get it to fit in there and all the cutting I had to do, so did everything. Bumper is on. It looks so sick. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm walking towards the Evo and the front bumper looks freaking sick, man. This is the bumper I've always wanted, besides the bottom part being carbon, which I probably can't afford that right now, but check it out. This thing is sick. It looks so much more aggressive. Look at that intercooler. God damn. Thanks to my buddy Dustin who sold me the bumper. I believe he has the Voltex bumper with the carbon lip at the bottom, which is freaking sick because those things are amazing. They look so sick on the Evo. I wish I could get one, but not right now. And then the paint job's not that bad. Pretty much matches the rest of the car. You guys can see I'm pretty happy with the results. So I made sure I added extra clear coat on the front bumper because I've learned in the past, like on my S2K, I only did a single coat of clear on the bumper and pretty much the whole car. Single coat of clear, which is my mistake, but I'm starting to get a bunch of rock chips, so I might have to redo it. But this thing right here, couldn't go wrong with this one. Added a bunch of clear. It's so smooth too. Drilling into the bumper really hurt me. It was nerve-wracking, but I made sure I took my time and made the holds for the canards. And yeah, check it out. So sick. Yeah, I'm really loving this whole intercooler thing, which my previous bumper didn't have. It was just a different version of the Voltex style bumpers. Anyways, I will be picking something up for the Evo tonight, which I can't reveal yet. Let's just say it's carbon fiber. So that's all I gotta say. So yeah, I will be picking up a part for the Evo tonight, and then it'll be time to restore it, add some fresh clear coat on it, and then slap it on the Evo. You guys probably won't see that till the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I almost forgot to tell you guys, my old bumper is for sale, so if any of you who are located in SoCal is interested in the bumper, shoot me a price. I will be selling it without the canards because I have them on this car. I am in the process of making my own canards. out of carbon fiber, so I'm kind of experimenting with carbon fiber stuff, and if they come out good, I'll be slapping those on this car and then putting these canards back on that old bumper. But if not, old bumper is for sale without the canards, just to let you guys know. Shoot me an offer, I'll give you guys a deal. Nothing really wrong with it other than a few holes from the canards, but you guys can always buy some and slap them on that bumper.